is a river flood product for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson and Davie. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flood warning for the Yadkin River at Yadkin College from late tonight to late Monday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 4 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 10.7 feet. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 20.0 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday afternoon. Impact: at 21.0 feet, lower level primitive campsites at the Thousand Trail Preserve off US 64 begin to flood.